Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna go with this feeling that I have to do content that is a little bit more like what I was doing before. Like I said in my last video, it's a lot of work to do the formulating videos, and right now I am pulled in a million different directions. I think we probably all are. If you're watching this later, this is in the heart of Corona times, if you will, and it's hard. I think everyone has their own stuff going on, and I just want to make content right now that makes me happy and that I don't have to stress over, because I don't need anything else to stress over. So I have the perfect video in mind, and that video is about how to disgustingify your powder products. This is such a random video, but I've had it in my head for so long because I figured out how to do this a long time ago. And I feel like a lot of people don't know how to do this, so maybe I can help you out. This should be short and sweet, nothing too crazy. Also, sorry, there's no backdrop. My house is being renovated. That's just the way it is right now. So, let's do this. Okay, so I have some powder products, and they're at various stages of disgustingness. And I just wanted to show you guys how you can do this. If you ever start using your powder product and you go in and you're like using it, and you just feel like you're not getting the payoff that you normally get, take a look at it. If you notice that it looks kind of, the word is gummy that I'm going to use, but I don't know if that actually properly describes it. But let me see if I can show you zoomed in. Okay, so do you see what I mean by gummy? I'm going to use the makeup brush as a pointer. It's just got kind of this hard residue. And if you notice when you're using it, this area, it doesn't give you the payoff. Kind of this area where it looks a little bit cleaner, you're going to end up getting a lot more payoff from your brush in that area. Okay, let's focus, 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 focus. Everyone focus, including my camera. We're focused. Okay, so now that you've seen what I kind of mean, so this obviously can be a lot worse, and it can be to the point where you really just can't use the product at all. I kind of like, without thinking, clean my powder products so they're not as bad, but I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be super easy. All you need is a roll of tape and your product. Take your product, you're going to put the tape down over it. It may stick, it may not. You can just press it in with your fingers. And voila! So you're going to see quite a bit of product on the tape, and then if you look at your actual powder, it's a little bit better. You're going to do that a few times now. And at this point, it looks pretty good. So this is maybe not the best example to show the payout, just because it's a very kind of light shade, especially on my skin tone. So I'm going to show you a few others, and we're just going to speed this process up. So that's it. That's all you need. You just need some tape and your brain. Anyway, I'm not going to ramble on because you're not here for that. But if you did like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Give it a like. Wait, subscribe. Give it a like. There we go. And yeah, I think I'm going to be making more content that just kind of speaks to me, because that's what I want to do. So I hope you all have a wonderful quarantine. No, I didn't make that up. I'm sure other people have thought about it. But anyway, have a good time. Drink some wine. It's Friday night when I'm filming this. And have a great day. Bye.